guys, and welcome back to another video with
The Bling.
And today I am going to do my beauty routine. And as you can see, I've already done it. I wanted to film the intro beforehand because I had old makeup left on, so I was just gonna do this and then film the intro. So before we get started, don't forget to boop that subscribe button in the nose, leave a like, and share the video. I'm super excited for you guys to watch this video. I worked really hard on it. I thought it was really fun. I wanted to film this for like a week. I had to wait for this hairspray to come in. It's super cute, by the way. It smells so good. So yeah, enjoy. Alright, so first things first, I grabbed my headband. And I actually have two. I have this one, which is super duper cute, and I have this one, which is also super duper cute. And if you guys watched my last video, you would know that this is one of my favorite flowers, a pink carnation. I think I'm gonna wear this one just because it's really soft and everything. See if I can do a good transition. I don't know if that was smooth or not. Hopefully it was though. So I get my little headband put in. So I have my hair out of my face. My hair's still wet. Sorry if you see like little water droplets like. First things first, I still have a little bit of makeup left from yesterday. So I always shower first. Start off my beauty routine. You gotta be clean. I take my trusty coconut oil. If you guys watched my natural glow up and I think a day in the life vlogs, then you'll know that's what I used to remove my makeup. And even then, when I wore less makeup, I still use this now with a full face of makeup. It gets it off in about 5 seconds. It's amazing. So then I take this like really nice soft cloth. It's so nice. I just put this in the coconut oil, rub it around, then just rub it on my face. Just want to make sure that you get all the mascara, concealer, foundation, everything off. And I really like this because it's not rough. And I don't have to use makeup wipes, so it saves so much money. See? I thought I had everything off, but I didn't. So now that I have completely made sure my face is clean, I'm going to let the coconut oil sit for like a minute or two, and then I'm going to put on my foundation. While I was letting the coconut oil set, I decided to grab my makeup stuff, and I'm just going to give you guys like a really quick view of what I'm going to be using today. So this is just a quick view of what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these brushes, my foundation, my concealer, my mascara, my eyeliner marker, my makeup sponge, my highlighter, my eyeshadow, my setting powder, my eyelash curler, my lipstick, and my chapstick, and my handy dandy makeup mirror. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this towel to wipe off the coconut oil really quick. So now that I've got everything laid out, I got my face prepared, I'm going to start by putting on my foundation. The foundation that I use is the Revlon Color Stay in the shade 250. I'm going to be using my little makeup sponge, and I know you're supposed to clean this, but I forgot, so. Remember that it's important to blend down your neck. So next I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I use the Sephora Bright Future Concealer. I use number 7 in the shade Custard. I actually wait to do my under eyes until I've done all my eye makeup first, because if you make any mistakes, then you can just cover it up with concealer. And I really love this concealer because it comes with like a little wand. And then I don't have primer, so I'm going to use this because concealer also works very well. It's important to prime your eyes before you do any eye makeup because it helps your eye makeup to stick and hold. So now that I've got my face all ready, I'm going to start by doing the eye makeup. So I'm going to be using the palette Love Struck. And lately I've been doing a lot of purple makeup because I like how it looks with my skin tone. But today I think I'm going to be doing some pinks. As a base color, I'm going to start with the shade Festival. I'm just going to go in the top here. Just like go back and forth. I like to keep my eyeshadows simple. I really only know like the 3 parts. I only know above the crease, the out corner and the inner corner. So I just kind of do medium, dark, light. The reason I had to wait to do this video is waiting for my hairspray to come back in. That's a part of my beauty routine, so I didn't want to skip it. Okay, so then I've had the base color done. I'm going to go with the shade Smooch. I'm just going to cover my whole lid. So I know it's like story times are super popular, so lately I've been trying to think of anything exciting that's happened to me. I've only had like one or two like near-death experiences, but like they're really short stories, so I don't know if I can make a whole story time out of that. But if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know. So now that I've covered my eyelids, I'm going to actually blend these two out. So now that I've blended them, I'm going to go in with the shade Adore on the outer corner of my eyes. The shade of pink is so pretty. I really love this palette. It's so cute. So now I'm going to go over this bright pink with Notorious. Okay, so now I've gone over it with sparkles. I'm going to go in my inner eye with the shade Pose, and it's more sparkles. I was going to go with Wonderland, but I'm still trying to figure out how to do it because it's mostly glitter, so it doesn't spread very evenly, so I'm trying to figure out how to use it exactly. And I'm actually going to use, it kind of just lays the sparkles right on there, almost like my finger would. And now I'm going to blend it. Okay, so that's it for eyeshadow. And really quickly, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. So now I'm going to do, honestly, my least favorite part of makeup. I'm going to do my eyeliner. And I use a marker, but I'm really thinking of switching over to liquid just because with the marker I have to go back and forth over it. So I'm probably going to get switched to liquid, but for now I'm going to be using the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker in the shade Very Black. I give up. Now I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion in the shade Very Black. I just realized, you guys, I forgot to curl my eyelashes before I did this. I know you're not supposed to, but I'm just going to curl them afterwards. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. highlighter in the Glow Glam Beam palette. I'm going to take my highlighter brush. I'm going to go in this one. Look at that highlighter though. Then I'm going to go on the nose a little bit. There we go. And then I'm going to go in with the same highlighter just under my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in inner eye. Then I'm going to go with a little bit of this. I am going to put on some chapstick. This type of chapstick is called Vanilla Mint. Gotta keep your lips
Hydrated.
Then I'm going to go in with this lipstick, Rimmel London, and it is the shade Candy. It's number 2. Gonna put this on my lips and it'll match really well with my pink. I love this shade, honestly, it's so pretty. And then I am going to go in with my concealer on the under eyes. So now that I've done that, I'm going to finish it all off by using this Savvy Minerals Diamond Dust Setting Powder. And I like this because it's actually sparkly. I wish my camera would focus, you guys. I don't know why it's not focusing. All done. Here's the finished look. So now I'm going to pick up my hair and I'm going to use my hairspray. Okay, so now that we're done with the makeup part of my beauty routine, we are going to do the hair part. Look at this though. Honestly, my hair is so damaged. It's still damp, which is where I want it to be because for the hairspray you need to have damp hair. So I'm going to be using Salty Sea Salt Spray from Xmondo. This sea salt spray is designed to give you soft texture and leave you with a perfect windswept look. Spray 12 inches away to evenly coat damp hair, scrunch, and air dry or diffuse. Can be used on dry hair to enhance wave pattern and add texture.
Smells really good.
You guys, this smells so good. My hair is still very, very soft. So this is
Whoa.
what my hair looks like. Whoa. My hair like already has volume. It's wet, but it has volume. And it's so soft. Like, this is so nice. You guys, I love it. This is the finished beauty routine. I did a full face of makeup. Got my hairspray, which I love, 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 love. I would definitely recommend it. It's like $30, I think. So that's the finished beauty routine. Did a full face of makeup, did my hair. Also, I'm wearing the cat hoodie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to boop that subscribe button in the nose, leave a like, and share the video. I love you guys so much, so much. Thank you for every single view, every single like, all the watch time. I actually have like 94 watch hours in like 3 months, so that's pretty good for only having 34 subscribers. Bye! To kind of cleanse my face. Cleanse, not cleanse. So while I'm letting the coconut oil dry, I decided to, and that's part of my beauty routine. My wrist. It looks like I got bruised. Lash blash. Alright, so now that my eyes are all done, also, what is this line here? Is that what you call highlighter? Are they pellets? And this flavor, Rimmel, I don't know.